Hello, this is George here from georgepauly.com, and we are going to review arbitrage. We're going to go over what is it, what do you got to do, or how does it all work, and then finally after that, if you use arbitrage, if you execute it, can you actually make any money? I'm super excited to talk to you about this arbitrage because this guy Jamie, he's a little different than most of the other marketers out there, and I really like the guy. I like the way he thinks, and I like the way his products that he puts out. So if you look at this arbitrage here, he's an experienced marketer. He's from Southern California, I believe, in the United States here, and this is the homepage, and he's got all these different parts to this arbitrage program, so you can get a hold of all the stuff that's in it. And what exactly is Arbitrage Pro? It's kind of that he put this together where you put all these different offers together, and some are going to be red and some are going to be green. And his software and his stuff is going to do this for you. When it says green, that means go. That means go for that offer and go ahead, do all the steps it takes, because that one is a money maker. Now this is the sales page here, and if you have not seen the sales page and you'd like to get arbitrage, there is a link down below in the YouTube description. Go ahead, click on that. That will take you over to George's Insane Bonuses, which is what you see right here. And from here, then you can go and click on one of these yellow boxes throughout the bonus page, like this here, and then you can pick it up. That will get you over to the sales page here, and then of course one more time you go through the box and you go through the checkout process. So anyways, the sales page is typical, shows profits, hey, this is all great, but what I believe is really important is what is inside of the software. How do you use it? Will it work for me? And can I learn how to use it? Is there good training? Tell me what to do step by step, and then if I don't really understand, I can go backwards and get it all over again. I like things that are not super simple because they're just like, well, duh. I like things that are fresh. This looks fresh to me on this green light go type of thing. And so this arbitrage, it's all about putting offers together with traffic and getting the right people together. Now I'm going to read this to you real quick. Arbitrage Pro first finds you winning combinations of targeted free traffic and monetization. There are people out there, buyers, who are looking for something. They're doing searching, and the software here will find those people that are doing the searching for it. And what happens is when there is a green, which means go, then all you do is sign up for that free account, connect the two, the account and the traffic, put them together, and bam, you've got it. And so yes, when you enter this pro area, you're going to get cutting edge software, and you'll get video guides and tutorials on how all this works and how Jamie's put this together. These are the prices in the upsells. The FE, which is the front end, that's the minimum to get in, $17.95. There are 5 upsells that go from $47, $97, $197, $297, another $197. And I'm not going to go in a lot of detail about that, but I'm going to go over a little bit real quick here. The front end is the software, okay? That's basic. But now the unthrottled version for $47, it's going to allow for 20 searches per day. So you're going to want to search what are people, and we're going to go through a search here. I'm going to show you how this works. But you can go through 20 searches a day with this software and find out how this all works and find out the people that you want to connect with the offers. Number 2, these are the monetization sites for $97. So basically, their software control panel finds profit opportunities which might require AdSense, which is like a Google thing, and sometimes other affiliate programs will require you to have some kind of website. And their Pro easily installs with a few quick, easy steps with 320 300 templates in 20 different niches. So you can launch this stuff fast. And money loves speed, okay? Now remember that. Money loves speed. Upsell number 3, the 10-time multiplier. This is a couple $100 here, okay? This is the high ticket offers. High ticket offers is like $500 on up for your commissions. So that's, hey, you know what? If you make 4 of those a month, that's 1 a week at $500 commission. That's $2,000 a month. 24 grand, not bad for a part-time deal, okay? Here they're talking about 24,000 a month. 24,000 a month. So I scaled it down a little bit. Jamie does it all for $297. So he's going to have webinars where you're going to get on there and you're going to see what he does. He's going to kind of do it for you and then hand it over. All right, that's what he's going to do for you. And then the winner circle here, of course, this is when you get the resell rights to 5 of Jamie's highest selling and highest converting products. There are some bonuses. Doesn't matter which one you buy. If you buy even the $19 one, okay, and if you're interested in this, click on the link down below in the YouTube video to get arbitrage and the bonuses. But even if you get the cheap one for 18 bucks, we're going to give you these bonuses here at no extra cost. Now this one here, traffic secrets. If you know who Russell Brunson is, I don't have to say anything else. But if you don't, he started ClickFunnels. He's been involved in, he's been doing this forever. He is the pioneer that has brought all this people, expertise, and industry into your lap. And there's a free book, just pay for shipping. So this traffic secrets is going to tell you all about traffic. All right, it's a great, it's something you've got to have. Bonus number 1.1, or the real bonus here, valued at $427, is from 0 to 100. This is a hack. How to get started for newbies and how to get in and, you know, all the things that you need to put A, B, and C together. I'm an engineer, so I need that stuff. Bonus number 2, Bing ads. Again, this arbitrage is going to have offers, and you put people who are looking for stuff in there. So Bing ads is a very inexpensive, very effective way to get your product and your stuff out. So these are cheat sheets that you're going to get. And then number 3 is going to be boost your SEO. Again, there are people searching for solutions. Let's just use weight loss. People are like, how to lose weight. Holidays are coming up. This is early November 2020. The holidays is coming around. Everyone gets together. They eat. New Year's resolution comes around. Everyone wants to lose weight. So SEO is search engine optimization. This is going to be some hacks to boost that. Click here to get your stuff, okay? Now, number 4 here is the 7-minute system and advanced training. This is a whole nother a product here, which is going to get you up and going fast. And then number 5 here, of course, is all the special bonuses that Jamie in the sales letter, sales page, sales video has told you about what you're going to get. Now, there is a timer here. Some of the stuff is going to run out. Some of it won't. This is going to be delivered here, I believe, on Warrior Plus. So if you decide to buy it, click on the link down in the YouTube description. Take you here. Click on this deal, one of these yellow bars. You'll go to the sales page. And then once you get to the sales page, then you click to buy Warrior Plus. Get into that. Down here in the bottom, the blue box. This is George. Let's go over and take a look at the inside of Arbitrage Pro. All right, so over here is the orientation video, and he's really straight up front about what he's done, how he's going to deliver this, and it's fantastic. And you can see the traffic suite, the passive suite, tutorials. I love tutorials. Let's go over here to the traffic suite, okay? So over here, let's select a keyword. Let's select six-pack abs and search. Check this out, okay? Check this out. Boom. All right. Traffic source. All right. This is kind of red right now, but over here, AdSense, this is what it's going to cost. CPC, cost per click, 56 cents. That's kind of a no. ClickBank offers, these are yeses, okay? So you can kind of see how some of this stuff here, and then you can just access it, copy these URLs, and then paste them, and then boom, you can get that in there. All right, so that is a sample traffic suite. Now we're going to go over to the passive suite over here. So this is the passive suite. Now this is where you can compare products and drop ship and monetization and traffic control panel. So let's compare some products, all right? Let's go do this. Okay, women's shoes, all right, and apparel for women. Let's just do this. Go for a quick sort. Okay, we got AliExpress, eBay, and Amazon. And you can see where the best deals are because they're green, all right? This is where you want to promote your stuff, okay? So this is what it's want. Now, let's go to a tutorial because I need training and tutorials, okay? Look at this. Videos on what to do. This one here, navigation, traffic control panel, passive suite, the marketing philosophy. And again, these videos aren't all that long. Well, this one over here is 45 minutes and 21 minutes and all that. But this guy, Jamie, man, he knows what he's doing. And then once you get into his Facebook group and the support, then, yeah, we're not going to go there to the Gmail. You know, you get to his stuff, and let me see if we can get into the VIP. Boom. Look at this. How about that, huh? All right. Yep. He's going to go over a lot of this with you, all right? And et cetera, et cetera. And again, you know, all these more videos, all this stuff is right up there for you. So, hey, look, if you decide to get arbitrage, I'd like Jamie, all right? Personally, I like Jamie, and I'm using some of his stuff when I can fit it in. I think he's got a brilliant mind. He's got a great, it's different. So if you decide to get this, click on the link down below, give me some love there, and then click on one of the these boxes here, get you over to the sales page, and then from there, check on out, come on back to there. My name is George, georgepauly.com. Thank you for your time. Go make some money. Bam!